Another common mistake we see in divorce cases is when people refuse to answer discovery. Now, you may not be familiar with that terminology. In 95% of divorce cases, we're going to go through a process called discovery where the other side will send questions you have to answer. Sometimes it's statements you admit or deny. A lot of times it's documents you have to produce. And you think, you know what? They don't deserve to know this. You don't get to decide that. Honestly, even your lawyer doesn't get to always decide that. The court may ultimately decide that. We're going to go through a process called discovery with you, and we'll send the questions to you. Now, don't be scared. We're going to send questions to the other side too. They're going to have to do as much work as you're going to have to do, but it's very important that we work through the discovery process with you to give what we're going to be required to give. You may think they don't deserve to know it. Well, we're going to work with you to decide exactly what we give to the other side. If we have reasons to object, we will, but cooperate on discovery, because a lot of people will absolutely refuse to give things to the other side, and then the other side has to file a motion with the court to make you give it, and then you may still refuse, and then they file a motion for sanctions or punishment against you for that. When we could avoid all those things, if you will let your lawyer be the one to do the objecting, you provide everything to your attorney. But a lot of people also get confused or make a mistake in not really understanding what the billing structure of their case is like. We are one of the very few firms that offers all of our cases strictly on a flat fee basis, that when you hire us in that initial consultation, we will tell you exactly what your legal fee is going to be for that matter. If you have other cases that come up down the road, there may be other fees for those separate cases. But for your case, we operate on a flat fee basis that you will know exactly what your case is going to cost. Whether it takes 6 months or 3 years, it's going to be that flat fee. And we always do what we tell you we're going to do, including our billing. And so it's very important to know that with us, you don't pay a retainer up front that is going to quickly get drained down and you have to replenish it. And all of a sudden, you thought you were spending $5,000. Now you've got $15,000 invested in your case. I don't feel like it's fair to clients, but you need to make sure that you understand the billing structure that your attorney is going to use for your case.